Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 8 of how to set up a desktop computer with dual monitors for office use. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, we will be trying to connect to Wi-Fi via a USB adapter. So in this video, we have a USB adapter. If I now bring the camera and take a seat, before I do that, if we go to the bottom right corner of the screen, it says network and internet settings. We must change the settings, so we cannot connect to Wi-Fi. This is why the USB adapter is very good. If we connect that to the tower, yes, and now we are ready to connect to the Wi-Fi. So if I now enter the password, I'll just move the camera to the side for the moment. And so I have entered the password. Now we can click on next. Verifying and connecting. We have now officially connected to the internet. If we cancel what we see on screen, go to Internet Explorer, which will now be changed to Microsoft Edge once you download. And if you're wondering how does the dual monitor screen really work, well, click on or bring along your window from one side to another. Has been calibrated the correct way. You have been watching 8 videos, a series that showed you how to set up a desktop computer with dual monitors. We spoke about the desk, location, equipment, the stand, the setup, dual monitors, unpackaging, adding the dual monitors to the stand, connecting your computer tower to the screens, adding the correct peripherals, turning on the computer, setting up, connecting to Wi-Fi. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.